A new development tonight in a story we first reported earlier this week. The Trump administration announced new rules impacting insurance coverage for birth control and abortion. Now, Colorado's newly elected Attorney General says he will fight those rules. Political specialist Sean Boyd has the story.
Phil Weiser, along with other Democratic attorney generals around the country, are the only thing standing in the way of these policies taking effect. During the election, I talked about how the state AG has evolved into a powerful position that can shape, even stop, federal policy. This, a case in point.
When the federal government does things that are illegal and that hurts Coloradans, I'm going to be the lawyer for the people of Colorado.
Newly elected Colorado Attorney General Phil Weiser promised throughout the campaign that he would be a check on the Trump administration, and he's making good on that promise.
To be equal, women need to control their bodies, have access to birth control, access to the choice of an abortion.
Weiser says he will join other Democratic AGs in suing the federal government after the administration announced new rules that roll back a provision of Obamacare. The law mandates employers cover birth control unless they're religiously affiliated. The new rules allow employers to deny coverage if they have a moral objection.
The Trump administration decided to create something out of whole cloth. It wasn't based in law. It was a threat to the rule of law, that they'd make up this moral objection, a moral objection that would give any employer the right to say, I'm not going to cover birth control.
The administration also making abortion coverage more difficult, requiring private insurers that offer it as a benefit to create separate monthly bills for it.
It means when rules come down that are, frankly, anti-women's health care, that are trying to make it harder to get access to abortion services, I'll fight for women. I'll fight for equal rights, and I'll fight for access to abortion services.
A fight a divided Congress clearly won't take up. State attorney generals, the only restraint.
Which means for at least the next 2 years, where we have a presidency and administration willing to do things like this birth control issue that is illegal and hurts people, an important check is going to be the Attorney General of the state of Colorado and other states that are committed to fighting for the rule of law and protecting people.
After he's sworn in, Weiser says he will also join lawsuits Democratic attorney generals have filed over the separation of families at the border, protections for pre-existing conditions, and attempts to overturn the methane rule. I'm political specialist Sean Boyd, covering Colorado First.